Welcome to my League Night review with the Arctic Vibe and the DV8 Chill Pearl. Today, we're bowling 3 games with both of these balls guaranteed. I'm gonna use the Vibe game 1, the Chill game 2, and then game 3, we're gonna choose the best one for the current conditions, and hopefully we're gonna shoot above a 240 average tonight in League for my 3-game set. So before I talk too much, let's get into the review. Or let's get into Bowling League. One of the two, probably both. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. I feel like that one stuck to my hand. I almost ate. Ah! That's perfect. Oh my God, dude. Chose the Vibe game 1 strictly because I thought it would strike more. 255 with 2 whiffed 7 pins, one in like frames 3 or 4, and then one in the second shot of the 10th frame. So not my best effort on the spare shots. However, the ball looked really good. You could have penciled it in for, I don't know, let's call it like a 267 instead of a 255, or a 268 instead of a 255. With that, I thought the ball looked really good. It made the right shape through the pins. It 7-pinned a couple times. I think I'm going to switch to the Chill Pearl next game just because get a little different shape, get a little different something. My Vibe started to not look so great through the pins, so I think I'll be able to move in with the Chill Pearl. It should be a stronger bowling ball, which means I'll be able to move a little into the oil, get a little more down lane shape with it, and I don't really know anything about this ball, so I'm just taking basically a blind shot in the dark. Yeah, here we go. Game 2 coming up. Chill Pearl. About that time. Much earlier. Pick up. Yo! It's this lane. It's like the second time on this one. Hey! I literally f***ing looked at the rack and told myself that it wasn't gonna strike. 249 after a 7-pin with the Vibe frame one, and I actually made that one as opposed to the first game where I missed both of mine. So right now I'm shooting 33% on 7-pins. Really professional bowler of me. But when I do look it up on buddiesproshop.com, I type in DV8 Chill Pearl, what I get is the bowling ball. It's gonna cost you 145 bucks. From a numbers perspective, this is a bigger symmetric option. It was actually more hook and stronger than I even thought it would be. So with that, I actually probably could have flip-flopped them and used the Chill Pearl game 1 and the Arctic Vibe game 2, giving me that, move inside, a little more shape down lane, because this one was a little more mid-laney than I thought. However, it would have been really good game 1, and instead, it was really good game 2. So I'm gonna switch back to the Vibe, go a little further left, kind of throw it firmer, and try and almost move my feet left, keep my eyes where they are, so kind of change my angle where it's much more up the lane, hopefully get it to go through the pins just a little bit better, and hopefully finish out for 750. Right now I'm at like 720 was the goal in the beginning, but right now I think we're changing the goal to 750, keep that 250 average, and hopefully bump up the league average a little bit in the last week of normal league season. So yeah, back to the Vibe, a little further left, much faster, and hopefully much more strikes to come. Game 3 coming up.
Maybe it is. I knew it.
Overall, all three of these games, very solid. 246 the last game. Left a split, made a split, left a couple spares, made a couple spares. So I can't really complain. My ball is definitely going through the pins much better than games 2 and game 1. However, with that 750 on the nose, 246 the last game to get to an exact 750. Really good set for me. When I throw brand new bowling balls, the goal is to average 240 on the nose because I really don't know what they do yet. The Arctic Vibe I've now thrown for a little bit, so I knew what that one did, but the Chill Pearl, no clue. So from me to you guys, I would say absolute Chill Pearl would be a great game 1 piece. A Vibe after that would be a great transition piece as the lanes start hooking a little more and you got to get a little more down lane shape. And as always, I have a link down below where you can purchase these balls. These guys are great. They're super informational. You can call them, ask them any questions you want, and they do a great deal on drilling online as well. It's a little cheaper than drilling in your normal pro shop. So if you have specs or you want to get your specs, go to buddiesproshop.com and you can get these balls. Down below with a link in the description for you guys, buddiesproshop.com. And that's enough of me saying buddiesproshop.com. But one more time, buddiesproshop.com. I'll catch you guys for the next one. And until then, let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next on the side channel. Maybe a Kevin Williams sighting, maybe not. Until then, peace. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.